I'm the founder president of. I'm the founder president of SynVax Pharmaceuticals. And I have a PhD in chemistry, and I have experience in drug discovery and drug design, and did MBA in 2008.
Try and turn right into the mic.
Oh. Now, SynVax is a privately owned drug discovery company developing drugs for multiple indications. But today I'm going to talk about the pain management for acute and chronic pain for cancer and diabetic patients. 2 patents have already been issued on the composition of matter and on several compounds, and 1 is pending. And SynVax is seeking equity investment or licensing arrangement with pharmaceutical companies. Management consists of highly experienced and qualified scientists and physicians. The board of directors are from Stanford University, and they are physicians, and I have a long-term working and research relationship with each member of the team from the beginning. Immediately after funding, you see, we intend to hire an experienced person for business development and fundraising. About the status of pain management, about 30% of the people in industrialized countries have some degree of pain. And there is an urgent need because only drug available right now is morphine, and in spite of its side effects like addiction, respiratory depression, and constipation, the physicians still prescribe morphine because currently no effective drug is available for chronic and acute pain. So SynVax is going to provide an alternative for morphine. Market analysis of painkillers. Now, the market analysis, total market of the painkillers is, in 2001 was 25 billion, and then 2005, 32.9 billion, and in 2010 is projected to be 41.5 billion. So it's growing, and the opiates where the morphine and its analogs are prescribed, it covers the market. It covered in 16%, that means 4.3 billion in 2001, and it's 19% or 6.3 billion in 2005, and it's projected at 21% or 8.7 billion in 2010. So the growth is like it doubled in 10 years. And I should point out about the COX-2 inhibitors. COX-2 inhibitors started as a good drug for arthritic pain, but it was observed that it has a side effect of heart attack and stroke. And therefore, the 3 Vioxx, which was developed by Merck and Company, they voluntarily withdrew this drug in 2004. And then the Bextra, which was developed by G.D. Searle and Company, that was withdrawn in 2005. Mechanism of action. Our compound is non-addicting, non-narcotic because the structure is not of opiates, and then it doesn't act through the opiate receptor, and therefore the opiate-related side effects like morphine-like side effects are not anticipated. We have so far completed testing in 3 animal models of acute and chronic pain, and in these models, the compound is either similar to morphine or better than morphine. And so we anticipate that the drug would be non-addicting and with far fewer side effects. Progress to date, preclinical studies have been completed. And all the studies were funded by the Small Business Innovative Research Grants from National Institutes of Health, and we obtained phase 1 and phase 2 funding, total $947,000. And funding requirement, we need about $3 to $5 million to finish the preclinical toxicology studies and file FDA approval. And by that time, you see, when we finish that, the studies can be completed in 12 to 15 months, and by that time we would be able to we would have finished the efficacy studies in humans, and we would be able to attract some pharmaceutical company to sponsor the phase 2 and phase 3 clinical trials. And further discussion and details can be discussed at booth 5 and 3 in private. Thank you.